I'm proud to present the 2018-19 Budget and Operational Plan. It is a product of thorough and meticulous collaboration between councillors and staff and reflects the aspirations, passion and contribution of each and every one. We have listened to our community's feedback and collated information from the budget allocator tool to help shape the direction of this year's budget. We continue to drive the future of the region, focusing on key priorities of strong economies, vibrant communities, smart centres, and towards Council 2050. We look beyond our 4-year term and make informed decisions on how we can make lasting and positive changes to how people live, work, and invest in our region. We look forward to being part of the delivery of key outcomes and are committed to our long-term visions. As a council, we've worked hard to address the rates errors of last year and have implemented corrective actions so that these issues won't happen again. Part of this process is to place a freeze on total general rates revenue for the 2018-19 and cap category F and G rates, so no ratepayer will have an increase greater than 15% in these categories. Over the 2-year period 2017 to 18, 2018-19, the total average general rate increase is 6%. Rates redistributions in the 2018-19 year will resolve the errors from the 2017-18 year where some ratepayers paid more than intended and some ratepayers paid less than intended. The 2018-19 budget is the start of the next chapter for Council and the community. It continues our commitment to invest in maintaining and improving critical transport and water and waste infrastructure while enabling improved lifestyle outcomes through funding for community development programs and service to create better access, equity and inclusion. We will learn from past experiences and reaffirm our commitment to transparent decision making, collaborative consultation and work together to achieve the very best for our region. Our 450 kilometres of ageing water pipes and infrastructure continue to challenge our resources. The development of a region-wide water infrastructure strategy will ensure our water future is well planned and financed and that further investment is cost effective and targeted to improve water quality, reliability and security. We continue our commitment in maintaining and improving our facilities and infrastructure. In addition to the $58.2 million operational budget, we will spend over $31 million on capital works, including $11.9 million on roads, $8.9 million on region-wide water and wastewater infrastructure, $4.7 million for community education, training and disaster coordination centre, $2 million for plant and machinery, $1.9 million for maintaining community facilities, including halls, cemeteries, aged care and sporting and public amenities. $1 million for upgrading corporate systems and providing e-services. $520,000 for transfer station infrastructure. $225,000 for rain gauges. $162,000 for libraries, tourism and culture. While our revenue is predominantly from rates and charges, this year we will have a healthy inclusion of nearly $20.7 million in external grants and subsidies that contribute to operational and capital activities. Without funding support, we would not be able to deliver these activities. This year, external contributions will help Council build the Community Education, Training and Disaster Coordination Centre, which is a $4.7 million project. It will help us upgrade disability access to parks and gardens, upgrade the Herberton water supply, which is a $5.6 million total project, complete the Ravensay sewage treatment plant upgrade, develop a Tablelands strategic plan for youth, host a Harmony Day event and Science Week activities, repair and upgrade community facilities, and install rain gauges across the region. It will help us upgrade the Leslie Creek Bridge on Curtin Fig Tree Road and the Tully Falls Road Bridge. It will complete the widening and seal of Channel Road and commence a progressive seal of Utan Road. It will support the Drought Ambassador to deliver workshops as part of the Community Drought Support Package. It deliver health promotion activities as part of our Tablelands strong, active and healthy program. We have commenced growing our income and reducing our reliance on rates revenue by creating an enterprise to contribute to our long-term sustainability. Increasing alternative revenue streams will enable us to leverage new resources into the future. Asset management is a key component of our budget. TRC manages assets to the value of $850 million, including an extensive road network of over 1,800 kilometres. We continue to develop and implement strategies and plans to ensure our assets are well maintained, resourced and used. The budget shows a forecast deficit of $2.9 million for the 2018-19 year. However, we are committed to returning to a surplus in coming years. We continue to pay down existing debt and have no plans for new loans within our 10-year plan. We are implementing new plans and strategies that will further benefit and enhance the community. These include economic development, population attraction, events, disability access and inclusion strategies, asset management, town planning, reconciliation, cultural and sport and recreation plans. We will continue to support vibrant communities and strong economies through the Community Grants Program, Youth Assistance Program, Regional Arts Development Fund and Economic Development Fund. Council spending is an investment in all our futures. It ensures positive social, economic and environmental outcomes for our region, enhancing the livability and long-term sustainability of our diverse towns, industries and culture. As a council, we strive to work strategically and to think innovatively, to find the best ways to deliver quality services, solve problems, manage facilities, infrastructure and assets, while also proactively advocating for improved services, programs and outcomes. The 2018-19 budget and operational plan provides a responsible path to achieving our Corporate Plan 2017 to 2021 strategic priorities and goals.